So today I like to talk a little bit about the roasted shishito peppers. That's something that me and my girlfriends like to order when we have our happy hour, and it's very tasty. And so our conversation went about me going to Costco, and I found a box of shishito peppers, and it comes in a box along with cooking oil and salt, so you can make your own roasted peppers. And wow, that was quite easy, I said. So my girlfriends wanted me to see if I can post that in my channel to see how it's done. And she asked me how did it taste. So actually I don't know how it tastes because today will actually be my first time making it. But it seems quite simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that today. I hope you will enjoy it. If you do, thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Oh, and most importantly, please don't forget, if you can, and I really love the fact that you guys are liking my stuff on Facebook, but the important thing for me is actually liking it on my YouTube channel. So when I send you this link on my Facebook, you click on that link. It's just like Facebook. It has the like and it has the comments. So it's most valuable if you put it there, because for the channel, people are browsing the channel, and if they see few people viewing it and there's no comments or likes, that means that doesn't look so good, right? So that's why, and again, I really appreciate the likes on Facebook, but if you can just click the link and put that on my channel, I'll truly appreciate that. So again, wishing everyone a happy new year, and I hope you enjoy it. So, bye! Okay, we're gonna heat up that packet of olive oil at medium heat, and once it heats up, we're gonna start adding the peppers. Okay, so I think starting to heat up a little bit, so I'm gonna start adding my peppers. Maybe I should lower it. I'm gonna add all the peppers in there until it turns brown. So right now I have the peppers roasting in medium heat, and once it starts turning brown, I'll start moving and flipping over the other side. And when that's all done, I'm going to remove the peppers and put them into a plate and sprinkle that packet of salt that came with the package. Very simple. Okay, I think it's almost ready as it's blistering brown, and so I'm going to transfer this to a plate. Well, for me, I'm just going to soak up a little of the oil first. So here's the roasted peppers, and I'm going to sprinkle that little packet of salt that it came in with all over the peppers. Ooh, okay, I just overdid that, but you know, there's plenty of peppers underneath those peppers, so there's at least 50 peppers. So there'll be plenty of salt to go around. So, and here we are, a plate of peppers, roasted pepper. Voila!